Hello guys. How is everyone doing today? So, in the stream today, I'm going to build the scaffold structure of the Shutdown 2021 from this year's Mainstage. I already pre-built it or pre-drawn it, however you say that. So I already prepared some drawings. I only have to look at them and redraw it. I can show you the reference drawings. I also made them in SCAD. So I can build it or I can draw it as quick as possible, so we don't waste any time. And I have 6 PDF drawings or plans or whatever you call them. Some of them only consist top view with standard plan. That's how you call it in Dutch. Which are the verticals. I don't know how to even call them in English. Never heard the word for it. So it tells me exactly on number 1 I need a cup on the floor, 2 meter stand with a pen, then another one, and then a 1 meter without a pen. So then we're on top, or that's the top. And we don't have that, I don't know how big it is, 10 or 5 centimeters pen. That would just look shit on a stage if they are visible. And I'm just showing all the drawings, and then I'm going to start. So that's the second one for the center wing. I got everything compressed in one small drawing or one PDF. I can see a side view, isometric view, I think it's called. And the top view, which is the most important one with the standard plan. And I got the wing, which is probably going to be a pretty easy one. There's nothing really fancy or complicated going on that tower. And then a drawing of the stage, which technically I would only need a picture of it. So that's gonna be pretty quick, probably. And then a total. And then a multi-view of the center object, but only one half of it, because I'm going to draw only one side of it, and then I'm gonna mirror it to save some time. And in SCAD it works pretty cool, pretty quick. So let's start. I guess we're going to start with the center one. I'm only gonna draw till here, the half of it, and then I'm just going to mirror it. So that's going to save a lot of time. Tommy, what's up? Not much, how about you? I'm finally found the time again to stream, because I was really busy. I helped building Saga Festival in Bucharest in Romania, I think last week or 2 weeks ago. And I did some drawings, and now I'm going to draw again for the Amsterdam Dance event, something that is secret. So yeah, let's start with that one. I'm only gonna draw the floor part, and then make it a block. Then I'm gonna draw the other ones, and then I build every object. Makes it I think way easier. So the first thing we're going to need, as always, is now I'm gonna take the CoreWorks layer, which works a little bit better for me to draw quick. Oh yeah, I need to on that. So I'm going to choose that one, place it, click over here. Cool. So for the snap points, I'm going to need the node snap point. That's the only one for when you draw with layer in SCAD. That makes it easier to only snap to that one point where it's possible and not to the edge of it or at center of the edge or something. Makes it way easier. So now I'm gonna put a cup in place, and then I need a ledger, 1 meter. Alright, cool. And then copy X. Choose that point and choose that point. So now SCAD remembers the distance between. So whenever I'm going to use copy X again, I'll just press enter twice and it will follow. Pretty easy. So let's start from the outside of the drawing. So I'm going to need 2 meter. No, I don't. That was, I think, correct. Check. Cup floor. Yeah. Think so. Let's build the back of it first. So a 2 meter. Bam, and then from there it's only 2 meters back, and then 2 meter, another 2 meter, and then copy X. I'm just gonna now a row of 1 meters. Now come on. Are we still? Yeah. So another one. Another one. And the whole row has to go in front as well. So, oh yeah. I need a ledger for that, for the reference. Oh, where did it go? Copy, enter, and then it takes the insertion point. All right, cool. And then we place it in the front. Copy Y. Looks good. So now I select those ones, put in copy Y. It goes easy peasy for those as well. And now choose copy X again. And now fill it up with some ledgers. Yes. And that one as well. Not too much. That one has to go. Now the back side of it. Which is for reinforcements. Where all the concrete goes. But I'm not going to be bothered to place the concrete. It doesn't have to be built. And I'm not an actual structure engineer or whatever you call it. Oh, I made a mistake. Of course I did. So copy Y. Okay. That. Oh yeah, and by the way, if anyone has some questions about SCAD, can ask them during the live stream. I'm trying to answer everything. Or as much as I know. Because I'm still like 1 year into SCAD. Not a pro yet. Tommy, just chilling here. Got another week of nothing, then some more work. Finally, work is picking up again. I'm really looking forward to doing some more jobs again. I had some jobs scheduled for I think 1 or 2 months ago in Holland, but yeah, unfortunately they canceled it again, which was very sad because I was looking forward to that festival for a long time already. Alright, so now a little cool trick in SCAD. I got a diagonal which has to go from that cup to that one, but it's along the x-axis. So there's one cool trick. If I hover over the snap point, I press Control, and then I'll go to the next snap point where it should be, and then I'll let go. It automatically has the perfect angle. Saves a lot of time, because otherwise you would place it, then rotate it, and if it's not exactly 45 degrees, then it's going to be a hard time for you. So yeah. And I'm here as well. Philip, sup, bro? What's up with you, man? I haven't heard much of you lately. I hope you're busy. Tommy, we had an okay summer, some festivals and such. Yeah, I've been to one festival, but yeah, with all those corona restrictions, I'm not really in the mood of going to more festivals. It kind of sucks. So let's place one over here as well. Pretty sure I'm gonna use exactly the wrong one. Or did I? No. Perfect. Let's reinforce that as well. And that one. Oh, obviously the wrong one. Which one did I choose? Really bit off. Let's try it again. And you can also hold down control. Get to the destination where where you want it to be, and then just click, and then it will I think go back to 0 degrees again. I guess. Is there any lightning in SCAD? Yeah, there is. If you go the lights, you have some lamps, but there's no output of those lamps. It's just a pure building software. There is no visualization in that software, which is good because that makes it perfect for drawing purpose. And if you look at VisiVig, VisiVig can do a lot, but most of the things it's just kind of good and not perfect. So yeah, I mean the overall of VisiVig is pretty cool. You can do a lot of things with VisiVig, but yeah, when it comes to, so let's make it a block. Center, enter, piece. Let's choose the center point of it. So now if we click on it, it is this one object. If I double click, I can build in that object. And if you want to exit it, you just type in BES, and that means block edit save. Press enter twice and you're back out of it, which I will show you the power of blocks in a bit, because that is pretty amazing. Stefan, could you make a list of some nice commands? Yeah, I can write a list, but not in the stream, because then probably uses a lot of time. But every time I use some commands, I will call them out. All right, so cool. Let's start with the next object, which is going to be the center side. So I will show you how it looks. So we're going to build that little piece down here. Let's go back. So another cool feature is if I type in ref edit, I press enter and select my block. And scroll up because I need the whole one. Center piece. So now I can choose and select that one. Move it over here. And now, because we're starting with the next object over here, now I can say remove from ref edit. And now that's a block, and that's going to be another block. Amia, can it export MVR? They are working on that. But for now, what I do when I need to visualize that stage, I put it in VisiVig. I'll place all my lights, and then it depends. Either I'm going to work in VisiVig or I'm going over and export an MVR and import it in Depends, which obviously looks way better, as we all know. Alright, cool. let's continue. This is going to be going one to the back. Now we're going to make a... No, we're not making a block yet. We're just going to hide that one. And it's gone. But not deleted. That's the good thing. So I think I'm just going to mirror it. Or not. It's not an exactly mirrored or symmetrical. Or yeah, it is. The front is. I'm just going to delete something out of it. Makes it way easier and quicker. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. Another one bites the dust. And again to the front. Boom. Boom. And then oh yeah, it needs small ones in here. And I'm going to show you another nice... I think we're... So another nice command is show D, and then it shows up show duplicate blocks. So if I press that, it will show me the blocks that are placed above each other, and then I can delete it pretty quick. That works pretty good. I think I'm still missing something. I'm not. So center that part. No, that's good. Perfect. Let's put some ledgers in so I know where I'm at. Small ones. That one goes to the front as well. 9. No, it's not. So it is over here. Down here. 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 And then connect it here as well. And also nice command is if you hold down control and push the arrow key down, it just gives you the perfect space. And you can define that over here, set distance, but I'll leave it to whatever. How long is it? It's 2072 millimeters long. That's some weird measurement. Oh yeah, that's layer currently. Copy Y. Yeah, it still works. We have those outrigger thingies. And then so I'm using again control and the arrow keys to quickly place my ledgers. Amia, what happens if you decide to replace all 2-meter scaff with a 3-meter scaff? SCAD weld the parts to it automatically? No, not really. If I replace something, let's do that by typing in replace, and I choose a 1 meter. It will just replace that one part, so this part will not move over. But that could be maybe an idea for SCAD to develop, because they are listening to their clients. If they have some good ideas, they will make them possible. If obviously everyone has something out of that. Or you can just buy it and tell them you need that tool, and you pay a certain amount of money and they will build it for you, which is pretty cool. And if you have an idea, for example, I don't know, let's just say something, I can tell them, and if they like the idea and it will also fit for SCAD itself, they will create that idea and make it available for everyone that is using SCAD, which I think is pretty cool. So copy Y. Then we need some ledgers again. Boom. That should be it, I guess. To top floor. Yeah, so I'm going to make it a block first. Block, let's call it center wing piece or object, I don't know. Whatever floats your boat. So now it is a block. Double click it. I'll delete the right side of it. And then I'm just going to build that side, wing it or mirror it, and then delete something that shouldn't be there. And then we're Gucci. Oh, wrong command. Be safe. Also, for the people that are learning SCAD or starting with SCAD, a pretty good tip is to learn all the commands, because always switching between all those views and finding the right button to click can consume a lot of time. So I'm not in the block editor again. So now let's show all. Yeah, perfect. And now we're going to build the easy peasy. Nope, that was the wrong one. The outside wing object, whatever you call it. I call them wings. Should be pretty easy. So let's start with that. So let's type in ref edit again. Click enter twice. Take that part out. Let's place it somewhere here. I hope it is. Yeah, it is. Perfect. Ah, needs to move a little bit further away. All right, cool. Now remove from the block, and then should be, yeah, it's still on 0, which I guess it's the default anyways. So copy X, control right arrow key, copy X, twice, which leaves us with that. It needs one more. Oops. So copy X as well. Let's take the ledger, rotate it, and put it over here. Let's go and put that with control and up arrow key to the back. Let's delete that one. Let's delete that one. Control arrow key left and control arrow key right. That one again, the arrow keys on control. Boom, boom. Now I select that one. I select that one. Copy X. And that piece is done. So, oh yeah, also a cool command is when I go copy X and I put in 0, it will place that object from end to end on the right side. There's no gap in between, or so that is pretty cool if you place mojo barriers or video panels. And I think it also worked for scaffolding. So let's just place it roughly where it needs to be. Move Y. And see in the total. It lines up with over here. And then rotate C. -10. 20. Wrong direction. That's the floor part. Oh yeah, the stage. Obviously that is missing, and let's make it a block as well. Block wing piece. Oh yeah, and the command for block is just B and then enter. So if I type in B, it pops up block first, so you can't just press enter. And also pretty cool on SCAD, if I start a command, I press enter and enter again, it will start that command as well. So that's also a pretty quick way to get stuff done fast. I started to use it a few months ago. Works like a charm. Alright, so let's take one part out again. Copy Y. Let's place it over here somewhere. And then remove it. Save changes. And we have to shift it, I guess, as well. Stage layer. I got center line, so that one needs to be move X and place it in center. Boom. So now just gonna hide all of that. It is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that goes in like that. Not a short ledger, but a 1 meter ledger. It's 1 meter. Copy. Oh shit. Copy X. I used copy, that's why. Oh. Yeah, now it works. And then 2, 2. And now let's bring in the 2 meter ledgers. That goes that. And again, I'm using the control and arrow keys. Works great and quick. So that's basically the stage, and I think I'm gonna continue with the stage and put in the standards. So on the front, zoom in 150s. Standards 150 without a pen. On the outside, I need 250 without a pen. 250. Also, oh, that's 3 meter. And then 3 meter. Goes all the way to the back, and we need 2 meters in here, all the way to the back. Let's place them 2 meters. Cool. How are we gonna do it? Yeah, we're gonna do it like that. So let's put the floor system or floor ledgers, whatever you call them. Let's place them over here, and over here. So that one goes boom, boom. Obviously, if you place them, you also need to make that sound. Makes it work better. So now choose them, and we choose them, and say copy C and put in 2000 because I'm drawing in millimeter, which in meters is exactly 2 meters. And these ones as well. Copy C 1500, which makes it 1.50 meters. And then let's place the railing. Copy C 500. And place, just rotate them. Place them over here, and then we just take them and manually place them over here. Right, cool. So now the decks. So CoreWorks has a pretty nice system compared to Interstage and Stageco. They have those ready to place decks. So all you have to do is just place them in here, and that's it. It's pretty easy. So for that one, I need to go like that. So arrow keys as again, and we copy it over to here, and arrow key, control arrow key to the right. Place them on here. Control arrow keys again, and we're almost got the stage done. Let's just place that part, the rappen or whatever they call it in Dutch. Come on. Yes. Now where's the snap point? It is. Yeah. So now we're going to select the left side of it, all of it, and then type in mirror or MIR, which brings up mirror, and then I'll hold the shift key and drag the cursor up and say no, keep entities. So now it's mirrored, and now we'll make it a block. It's called stage piece. Sometimes I really suck when it comes to choosing names. Right, so the stage is basically completely finished, at least the scaffolding. So now I'm just going to get all my blocks back again. So I'll choose those two and say mirror. Then mirror them. And as soon as we start building, that one will, if I build that or click the other one, doesn't really matter. That one or the mirrored one will follow, and it will be perfectly mirrored. So let's start up with that one. Let's make that really quick. Should be done pretty quick, I hope, I guess. So the 1 meter is let's get the standards back. Oh, there they are. 2 meter with pen, another one, and then without. So that one, and then 2 meter without. Obviously, when I draw a stage, I'm not drawing it like that. Or if I know exactly how I need it, then I can draw it like that. But I'm only drawing it because I already have all the measurements and the drawings sitting right next to me. Otherwise, you don't always know how high it has to be. And then number 2. So for everyone, I am reading this information down here. And it's numbered. It tells me how many standards or what standards I need. And then the number where it has to be. So, and that I can show you how you can make that that kind of drawing in SCAD, because it's really easy. So number 2 is a 2 meter, a 2 meter, and another 2 meter. So what I'm going to do is just copy C minus 2000, and there it is. Easy cheesy. And 2 has to go over here, over here, over here, over here, and over here, and over here. And that inside thing is 2, 4. So just one more of those. So copy C. It already had remembered the minus 2000, so it's just pressing enter. Copy C. And now what I'm no, copy C. Just copy and place them over here, and then go a little bit cheat mode or whatever. So I'm choosing that side, so I don't need them anymore. And I think in the drawing it's always 2 meters up. So huh? Oh yeah. So copy C, 2000, boom, 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 boom. Now I just delete the ones that aren't used. It's really so yeah, that is almost finished. All I need is some racings that is for the design part and not for the structural, because when I draw layer as a technical drawer, I don't have to take care of the bracings, because that will be sent to, let's say, Stageco, and they will calculate that, because yeah, they know what to do, or they know how it works, and I don't. It's that easy. So now we press Control and we flip it. So we take those two. And mirror them. Oh yeah, I should probably rotate that one. Rotate C. Rotate it back to normal. Makes it easier to draw, and later we just, or we're just going to rotate it over here, and then it will be fine when I draw inside of the block. So rotate C, click that, type in 10, and now if I go and click it twice and I'm in the block, I'm perfectly on the XY axis again with 90 degrees and without some weird angles. So if I'll go out now, or if I exit the block editor, you can see the side we mirrored followed perfectly. And the only thing that didn't is I still need to rotate it. But that was because I didn't mirror it. So minus 10, yes. So now we have that part already. Now it comes to the center wing. Let's get the drawing. Center wing looks like that. Pretty. Yeah, not easy a little bit to think, because over here we have some hanging parts, and also over here, and it goes into the PA tower. So I have to take care of that. Keep that in mind. So let's go over and draw that. So I need, let's start with the one. The one is a 2 meter and a 1 meter. Standards. So 2 meter and 1 meter. And then we copy that and make that, put a 2 meter without pen on top of it, and then we have basically the stuff we need. Cup floor, yeah, they're going on the floor. So number 1 is only in the back. So let's just place 1, control arrow keys, and to make it easier, already do that part. Copy C, and I know it goes up 2 meters and then 1 meter. So yeah, that almost done. I'm gonna place the hojas, diagonals. No, I can't. Still need to. So next one is number 2. That is 2 meter, 2 meter, and a 1 meter. So all we have to do is copy C minus 2000. Select the whole thing. Copy. Choose that snap point, and it needs to be placed Over here and over here. And nowhere else. Easy, easy. So now I can place that diagonal, rotate it, and then control arrow keys. And that one copy up as well. 1000. All right, cool. So we got number 2, and now we have number 3 is 2 meter, 2 meter. Oh no, 3 is just a cup. All right, cool. And we're just gonna skip that. And 4 is 2 meter, 2 meter, 2. So 4 2 meters, and then a 1 meter. So we need to copy C minus 4000. So now we have 4 of them and a 1 meter on top, and that has to go here, here, here. So over here, over here, and over here. Do the trick. Yep. And then number 5 is floating again. Number 6 is 2 meter. We just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 4 over here. Then we need 2 more. Copy C minus 4000. It's still there. And we're already getting pretty high. Like in heights and not in drugs. Which one was that? Number 6. That go here. Over here and over here. Where else? Nope. All right. Number 6, number 7 is cup floor. 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, and a 1 meter. 7. There. Yep, that works. So we need 7. 1, 2, 3, and that one. So 1, 2, yeah, 3. To place it. 7 was it? Yeah. No number. Huh? Yeah, no, 7. I got lost. Happens a lot lately. Now we have left number 10 and number 11. So number 10 is just 1 meter. So we take that off here. That goes over here. For 8. Oh yeah, it's just staying like that. And number 10 we just got, I think. Yeah. And number 11 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 meters, and then so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. 5. Oh yeah, that's true. 5. And we just copy those over on that part. And place a 2 meter on top that doesn't have a pen. If I can find the place. Yep. Easy. Let me see. Yeah. So let's just start with the T8 tower. Copy C 2000. It's copied all the way up. And we also need some reinforcements for the TA as well. Yeah, we have to delete them as well anyways. And then we need a trolley. That's what it's called. Let's to go over here. And then we also need a beam to place the PA or to rig the PA. Probably not the correct one, but as long as it looks good for me, that works. Oh, we don't need the library anymore. So I'll choose those two. And place them here. So that one, copy C, 2000, 1000, and then 2000 again. Yeah. One has to go up as well. C 1000, and then again 2000. Now we got that as well. Let's delete them for now. So now it's gonna get a little bit tricky with knowing where I'm exactly at. Sometimes when you draw scaffolding, you can get lost pretty quick. Especially if the structure is going to be complicated or complex. And you're gonna have a hard time. Or it just takes you a bit longer to get the stuff. Alright, cool. So yeah, let's just start over here. Diagonals 1 by 2 meter. And is it on the inside? Yeah. Let's place it, copy, and choose the part. It's colliding. It doesn't matter. Let's put it over here first. Now we're just going to copy them to the front. As easy as that. Let's cut out some stuff. Hide. Rotate it and flip it. Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. I think I placed correctly. So let's place some. Oh no. Makes it easier if we just go like that. Place that one over here. Done. All right. Go away. So I know that I need a 2 meter, which is over here. Which goes over here, and then we need a cup. Place it on here. Wee. Made a mistake. It's the wrong kind of ledger. So over here, over here, over here, over here as well. Yeah, we'll see in a bit. And then place it here as well. And so let's place them. They are going. They are going over here, I think. Yeah, they are. Let's just copy them to here. And for the bottom, goes here, and that one goes here. Reinforce that as well. So X and hanging free. Yeah, it is. But that one. Oh, that doesn't have to be there. Or does it? Yeah, kind of. X. Right, cool. And then we need some cups again. No, not here. You're gonna go away. And you're going up a little bit. So copy X. Boom. And that as well. X. So now we only have to fill out some standard again. Yeah. Let's do it when we need it up there. And up. Over here. So we need a 2-meter standard. Oh, that's 1 meter. Oopsie. So over here, and here, and then 2-meter with a pen. Over here and over here. So, oh yeah. And over here and yeah, just a 2-meter. All right, perfect. Well, or so let me see if I forgot some. Yeah. There it is. I forgot something. That one. So now We finally got everything nice and done. We mirror it. Now we got that part done. Now we have to just delete a little bit out of it. So still forgot something. Bye-bye. Ah, we're missing a cup over here. Ooh. That would have been fatal. So this piece can go out. Oh yeah, that side as well. Do 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 do. So let's make some stuff. Let's delete some stuff. That one needs to go, and that one needs to go. Yeah. Ah, perfect. All right, let's see how it looks. Yes, there you go. Hung. Is this okay, guys, without support? What do you exactly mean by that? All right, and as we can see, the mirrored block is in place as well. And I've only drawn one part, which is super nice. So I'm gonna have a quick toilet break and then I'll be back in 2 minutes. Alright, I'm back. So let's finish it up. Last part. Center layer. So I'll show you the PDF again. I need to zoom out a little bit. That's basically the center of the stage, and it looks like that, kind of. So we're gonna figure it out in a bit. Alright, let's go. So for number 1, we need 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, and 1 meter. So let's do the little trick again. 2 meter. Two meter, another 2 meter, and a 1 meter. Where's it? There's it. So let's place that bad boy. Number 1. Easy. It's only that one and that one. And then for number 2, we need just one more. Copy C minus 2000. Select everything again. And that has to go over here. And I think I made a small mistake. Yeah, I did. So it's not the center. Dude, go away. Oh shit, I forgot one more. Over over here. Yeah. And 1 meter. I also forgot. Goes all the way out here. Oh yeah, let's just fix it really quick before the drawing gets too big. And shift everything where it needs to be. So we're gonna delete these 2. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. And we have to shift the stage over to here. And now we're basically back again. Oh yeah, let's just make a save really quick. Shut down stream build. Because really rarely, but sometimes I tend to fuck up something, or my laptop can't handle a lot of objects anymore, and then it crashes. But it makes a recovery file. But yeah, I'll just go and save a few times. Makes life a bit easier. And now got a little bit of lag. Now I'm just going to choose that point. Keep entities. And we're back on track. Perfect. So we did number 1 and number 2. So now we do number 3. Number 3 is 2 meter, 2 meter, and 2 meter without. So the 2 meter without, there it is. Copy. That's number 3 now. It's only on those parts. Really? Or anywhere else? No, only those ones. So number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 1 meter. Let's go over here, makes it easier. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 4 needs 5. Yes, it does. So copy C, is it still minus 2000? Yes, it is. Perfect. Number 4. That's only 1, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. That makes it worth it. So that one goes over here. Number 5. 2 meter. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a 1 meter, so just one more. Copy C, 2000. Six is that? Oh, number 5. Yeah, number 5. Again. Only one over here. And now 5. Now we need 6. It's just one more. Is it? 7. Yeah, one more. What was that? Copy C. Copy 6. Center. Boom. 7. 7 is... Oh, cool. I placed 2 cups on each other. 2 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4. What the hell did I do there? Let me see. Yeah, we're just gonna skip that one. It will. So 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, and a 3 meter without. Pretty stupid, but yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Number 8 goes on here. And then, yeah, instead of a 3 meter, I just do that. No, I don't want to lose that measurement. And then a 1 meter. Yes. So number 9 is 2 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a 150. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 150 on top. There it is. Stefan, don't you use autosave? I haven't really figured out yet how to activate autosave, or it is even activated. I have no clue. But I'll just press save once in a while when I normally draw something that has to be built and isn't for fun. Dan, you ever think about making a stage more square or box shaped? Do you mean your shitty ass box stages that you are using? No, I never thought about that, and I will never do that. So I don't like those typical rock box stages. They're kind of boring. So I did, was it 8, 9? So now we need 10. 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 1 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? Let's just go the easy way. Don't need those 2 anymore. Let's delete them. Let's hide that. And then select all of them. Copy C. 2000. Alright, so now we need a 1 meter. Which we have over here. I think. Can we have? And now copy C. It's a full. Oh, no. Boom. Which makes it, yeah. Perfect. And then here again. And then here as well. Copy. Boom. And 1 meter on top. Now we're missing that little piece, which isn't that hard to figure out. Just needs a 150. That one. And then we're gonna place some ledgers. Here, here, over here, over here, here, here. Or no. Over here. And over here. X. What's the best way to do it now? Let me see. Show everything again. And no, it's too high. Like that. Yeah. Copy C. 2000. 2000. Another 2000. Yeah. So let's do the back side first. Hide. No, shit, that was the wrong one. I probably shouldn't say that. Shouldn't have said that. It's not correct. Language isolate is what we need. Perfect, man. So copy C 1000 and then 2000. And cheers. So we can hide the backside. We're going to do once we have everything on again. Stefan, I thought the command is save time. Save time. Let's try that. New current value for save time 92200. I think it's in minutes, so let's just do, yeah, let's just do 10 minutes. Hey, cheers, man. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Hide it. So obviously we're going to need to fill that part out. Copy C 1000. Yes. it. Hmm. All right, cool. And let's just place those diagonals. Not, I don't know what the name for that is. So rotate it 100 degrees, and then let's see where it starts. 2 meters below the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. So over here, and then we place that one, and then we just copy it. One, two, three, four. Yep. Yep, that's it. Now we need to do that according to the drawing. Oh yeah, it doesn't really matter. No, it really doesn't matter. Alright, cool. Well, oh yeah. One thing I'm missing is the place for the trolleys to place the trusses with some decoration stuff on it. So rotate it over here, and oh yeah, we still need to fill out that gap. That doesn't really look nice. It's pretty easy. Copy C, 200. I missed a 0. Copy C, 2000. Boom. That one. Copy C, 2000. Boom. Copy C, 1000. Boom. Let's do a little bit of that. Feels safe actually. Yeah. And that one needs another one. And copy C. Oh, that was copy X. Copy C. They're too close together. So that piece is almost done. We need trolleys over here. Oh yeah, let's see how works with replace. It's probably, yeah, perfect. Exactly where it needs to be. Copy C minus 500. Boom, and now we got the center part almost done. Mirror. Choose